triangle, hexagon, pentagon, square.
These are polygons. They are plane figures with at least 3 straight sides and half angles. Each polygon range from different measurements and different theorems. All of our high school days, we have been taught lessons about polygons, but have we really took the time to verify the evidence and really understand them?
Hundreds and thousands of years ago, early Greek mathematicians like Euclid and Pythagoras were one of the first to think about these so-called polygons. But, to be honest, the first person to describe these is almost certainly lost to history. But that doesn't really matter since polygons are simply natural.
This is because they are formed by the natural action of geology. Johnny Jepp, take me to Ireland.
This is Giant's Causeway. It's a place in Ireland with many polygon-like structures.
Now what's fascinating about these polygons is that they have a certain property that relate to each other, and that no matter what their shape or size is that they have the exact same measurement. Now what's more interesting to me is that these polygons, no matter what their measurement is, they all equate to 360. And by the way, that these angles you see outside of the polygon, they're called exterior angles.
When all of the angles of a convex polygon converge or push together, they form one angle called a paragon angle, which measures exactly 360 degrees even if the sides of the polygon are increased or decreased. In fact, more sides can be added to the polygon and they will still form a paragon angle. Therefore, the number of sides does not change the sum of the exterior angles. In my pocket, I have a triangle as huge as the pyramids.
Wow!
These angles have different points which have different measurements of interior angles. Now, let us add a line that extends to the outside of the triangle. In order to find the exterior, we need to subtract the measure of the interior angle by 180 degrees. Let's try it out. For this point, let's subtract 45 from 180, which will be 135. And it's the same for this point. Now, for the last point, we need to subtract 90 from 180, which will be 90. Now let's add the measure of all the angles together, and voila! You have 360 degrees. Here, I'll give you about 30 seconds to try it out. Try to find the measure of the exterior angles of this polygon and then add it up. And your 30 seconds starts now.
Time's up!
In summary, you'll find the sum of the exterior angles by shrinking down the polygon.
That's 3 minutes!
See you tomorrow!
Bye!